So in the previous video we discussed about breakpoints and break on exceptions. Now in this video we'll talk about set next stage and run to this stage. If we are on the main page and if you want to run from the start, you just need to reset and click run, right? So it will start from here. But if you are on the launch and login part and you want to run only this page, you don't want to go and complete from here, then how can you do that? Then you have to start from here. There is no option that you cannot go and you cannot start only this page. If you will click on step, it will start from the main page because this is the main page, main point. So if you want to just run this page, or if you want to just check this stage, you have to right click on that and click on set next stage. So it will set this next stage, it will highlight, and then you can you can click a step or you can apply other debugging speeds, and then it will complete that. So this is the use of set next stage. If you want to test only, let's say this has been launched now, let me show you. Now this application has been launched and I just want to check that this action for this login purpose, if this is working fine or not. I just want to check that. I don't want to run all the things. So what will I do? I will just right click on this set next stage and then I will do like step over, and then it will log into that one. It means now it is working fine. So this is the use of set next stage. Now the second one is run to this stage. So run to this stage is used whenever you want to run till the specific stage. Let's say we have these stages here and I want to run this till loop orders. I don't want to go to new orders. I don't want to check this. So I want to start from here automatically and then it will go and pause here. So what I can do, right click on this and click on run to this stage. So what will happen, it will automatically start running from the start and come to this, and then it will pause there. Right click and run to this, and now you will see here it will open this application, it will log into this application, and then it will go to new this orders menu. It will find out that that Excel, and you can see this we have this break on exception, that's why we are getting this also, but no problem. Let me first remove this and then run this. So there is an error, so that's why on this specific page we have an error, so it is just throwing an error. But same thing you can find out here also. Let me go to debug and remove. Okay, so we have that. Now I just want to complete up to this. It means I want to complete this and this also. So instead of right clicking here, I will right click on and. So what will happen, it will complete this and this. So right click on here and click on run to this stage. Now what will happen, it will open that application, it will log into that and then go to and. So here it will automatically stop that, it will not move with the next stage. So this is the use of run to this stage, and you have seen set next stage. Now in the next video we will discuss about enable calculation zoom.